Sige po, Dad. Tawagan niyo na lang po ako pag nasa resort na kayo, ha? Para makausap ko si Tina, eh. Sige po. Bye. Miss, do you need any help?
It's okay. I'm just waiting for my husband. Kumuha na siya ng tutulong.
Walang mag-a-assist sa inyo.
Okay lang. Salamat. Andyan yung asawa ko. Ikaw, may kasama ka?
Yeah, I'm waiting for her.
Saan ka pupunta?
Singapore.
Oh, Singapore. Wow, maganda dun, ah.
Miss, if you don't mind... Oh, well, actually, never mind. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Ay, okay lang. Ano ba yun?
Hindi na, wag na po.
Ano ka ba? Nagkwentuhan na tayo. Ano yun?
If you don't mind, what happened?
Sus, yun lang pala eh. Ito, road accident. Well, actually, wala na akong maramdaman from the waist down. Alam mo, nung una, napakahirap talaga. Pakiramdam ko, wala na akong kwenta. Sobrang inutil ko. But you know, my husband loved me and stayed with me through it all. Ay, nako, napakaswerte ko sa asawa ko. Kaya kahit ganito pa ako forever, nako, okay lang. Mahal na mahal ako ng asawa ko.
It's good to know.
Hanggang kailan ka ba doon?
Well, I'm planning to stay there.
Basta mag-iingat ka.
Ingat doon.
Oh,
You have to
Han!
go.
Ayan na pala eh.
Oh, Archie!
Corny,
Of all the places, dito pa tayo nagkita.
I'm seeing you.
I see you've met my beautiful wife, Cindy.
Wow!
Oh,
He's my good friend, Archie.
Talaga? Magkakilala kayo? Small world!
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Archie.
Archie San Pedro. Corny, hindi ko naman alam nakasal ka na pala.
And happily married at that. Eto, itong babaeng to, crush na crush ko to.
Nako,
Siya ang nagpapatibok ng puso ko.
kawayan ka na naman ah. Bolero tong
I love
asawa
to.
ko. Huwag ka
Anyway,
napapaniwala dyan.
sorry but we have to check in pa and we're running late. So, it's nice to see you again.
See you soon, Corny.
Okay.
Sige, have a safe trip.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Let's go.
Let's go, Han.